Let me write a small code snippet. Define my function. Here I'm giving a default value, suppose India. Country RY. So if I call function US, I'll just call one more time with China, Park, whatever may be. If I, the next I would call by default function. If I execute this code snippet, look, I'm from US and I'm proud. See, China, Park, and if I don't pass any value, it defaults take India. Let me write clean code. Execute this. There you go. I'm from US and I'm proud. I'm from China, I'm proud. I'm from India and I'm proud. This is all I want to show about default parameters. Thank you guys. Keep the energy and passion. Bye bye. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.